In this lecture, we are going to create a new script file for the front end. Up until now, we've been creating script files for the Gutenberg editor. However, things are going to change. This time, a script should be loaded on the front end. WordPress refers to this type of script as a Vue script. There are two options for loading a script on the front end. We can use PHP to register and enqueue a script. Alternatively, we can allow WordPress to enqueue the script through the block.json file. I think it's easier to use the block.json file. It'll mean writing less code. To get started, open the block.json file for the authentication modal block. At the bottom of the object, add a new property called Vue Script. The Vue Script property will load a script on the front end. We never have to worry about the script appearing in the editor. By creating two separate scripts for the editor and front end, we can prevent our site from becoming bloated. WordPress will handle loading the script. Most importantly, it'll check if the block is present on the page. If it isn't, the script will never be enqueued. The value for this property will be the following: file./frontend.js. The file name should be unique. For the rest of this course, we are going to call our Vue scripts frontend.js. This file doesn't exist, so let's create it. Inside the authentication modal folder, create a file called frontend.js. Next, let's log a message to the console to verify that the file has been loaded on the page. If you're running the scripts package, you may need to restart the command line. The frontend.js file will not be included with the bundle until the start command has been restarted. Just to make sure, let's take a peek inside the build directory. The auth modal directory should contain the frontend.js file. By adding the Vue script property, the scripts package will search for a file with the same name. If this file exists, it'll be processed with the final build. It's very important that the name inside the property matches the actual file name. After verifying the file has been moved, let's refresh the experimental page on the front end. Open the console panel from the developer tools. Inside the console, the message from our script will get logged. That's perfect. We've got a script for handling the front end of our block. The script will have access to the elements on the page. In the next lecture, let's start writing the logic for the registration form.